Hi, this is speech therapist Bhumika. Today I'll shed some light on misarticulation, or simply say unclear speech. Many a times you may notice that your child's speech is unclear, especially during the language development years of your child. There is an age for all the speech sounds to develop. This is a chart depicting speech sound development according to age. Do pause the video and have a look. As per the chart, p, m, h, v are the earliest sounds developing around 1 to 3 years. N develop between the age range of 1 to 4 years. The last developing sounds are r, t, s, which develop at around 7 years. However, if you notice that the child has moved past his expected age and yet not developed the speech sound expected, this condition is called misarticulation or speech sound disorder, or simply put, unclear speech. There can be multiple causes of misarticulation, including tongue tie, hearing loss, cerebral palsy, dental problem, cleft lip and palate, or simply imitation of some family member with misarticulation or difficulty in tongue movement and correct placement. There are four main types of articulation errors, namely substitution, wherein the child might substitute some syllables, say the or the instead of k and g. Example, tight instead of kite or pid instead of pig. The child might also substitute the instead of so. Example, the child might say thin instead of sin. Omission, wherein the child might omit certain syllables. Example, omission of r if the child says bound instead of brown. Distortion, when the child might distort certain syllables like cool instead of school or play instead of play. Addition, wherein the child might add certain syllables. Example, black instead of black. If you see persisting such errors in a child, even after their expected language age, it is advisable that you go to your nearest speech therapist or you start a teletherapy session in order to eliminate such kind of misarticulation or speech sound disorders. Know that every sound, be it a vowel or a consonant, has a specific place and manner of articulation for it to be pronounced perfectly. An SLP will evaluate you for the errors and teach you the appropriate place and manner of articulation of the syllables you require practice in all the position of the words. An SLP will share with you various techniques and tricks and oromotor exercises for proper articulation.